Now let's talk about the interface that we have here. The CourtLogger Pro interface is divided up into basically 4 groups. The first section here is the plaintiff and defense clocks. If you were running a criminal case, this would be called prosecution rather than plaintiff. You have the plaintiff and defense clocks. In order to activate these clocks, you have to select the name here. You can either click on the name or you can click on the little radio button. Either way is up to you. If I were running the clock and I click start and I wanted to go to the defense time and start that timer, I can't just go over here and click start. I actually have to activate this. And the reason that is to make sure that you don't accidentally click on something and go, I messed up the time. So it's more of a safety feature that we've designed it that way. The next section is the exhibit grid, and here you would add your exhibit numbers. You can check whether it's admitted, sustained, and so on, and I will go over all of how to use the grid and how it works. Also searching the exhibits by name and printing reports. This section here is basically about the grid. The next section is the daily commentary, and this is where you would enter notes about how you think the trial is going, jury reactions, judges' comments, and that kind of thing. Up here is the current witness and event timer. Now you'll notice here that if I click on plaintiff, this automatically activates over here. If I click on defense, this activates. This is the plaintiff and defense timers for this particular witness or event. So the difference between a witness and event is that the event is like an opening statement, for instance. And so an opening statement event, the plaintiff in this case, when they go up to do their opening, as soon as you hit start, this will activate and this will activate automatically. So you don't have to worry about clicking on 2 different buttons or anything. When they're done doing their opening statement, you go over to defense and you hit start, and this clock over here would continue going. And I'm going to go over that in more detail here pretty quick. But these are the basic 4 quadrants of CourtLogger Pro.